Hello, everyone. It's Dave Bondy. I am giving you keeping it real, unbiased news the way it should be. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really important for those of you watching right now. Click the subscribe button right below. That way, you'll get updates because Facebook doesn't show all of my videos. By doing this, you're going to be able to see everything on YouTube. Click that subscribe button. So, we're going to talk about the state of Michigan today. Governor Gretchen Whitmer held a news conference. The governor is proposing several things or recommending. Basically, she's asking all of you to follow her advice on certain things. And the state's top doctor, Dr. Joan Caldoun, also asking for you to follow several things. And let's take a look right now at one of the articles that we have on our website, midmichigannow.com. You can find this by going to midmichigannow.com, and you can also watch NBC 25 at 5 and 6. We will have the very latest on all of this. So, Dr. Joan Caldoun says indoor dining is risky during the pandemic due to the rise in cases. And those cases are pretty much because of the variant that has been out there. So, she is urging the public to continue to get vaccinated, but also urging people to be very careful when they go out. And here are the stats right now. According to Dr. Joan Caldoun, 515 cases per million, 18% case positivity, 15.2% of the hospital beds across the state are being used to hold coronavirus patients. 15.2% out of 100% being used to hold coronavirus patients. 58 new outbreaks in restaurants and in office settings, according to the MDHHS. Now, she is urging everyone to continue to get takeout and to eat outdoors or eat at home. So she is urging people not to go dining into restaurants. And I want to know if this will impact all of you. What will all of you be doing? Will you be listening to this advice? Will you be dining in or dining out? Will you be taking carry out now because of the request from the governor and the MDHHS? So I want to know, comment below, what will all of you be doing because of this new guidance or this recommendation? And this is not a requirement. You do not have to do this. This is a recommendation from the governor and the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services to help get things down, to lower the numbers of COVID-19, to get the numbers back down. We also want to go into what the governor is talking about when it comes to schools, and you can see right here on the screen the governor, excuse me, she is calling on schools to voluntarily go remote for 2 weeks after spring break. Well, for many districts, we've already had spring break. Spring break is over. But the governor is asking school districts to go virtual voluntarily due to the increase in COVID-19 cases. Many districts have already done this. Many districts, like the Flint Community Schools, have already gone virtual due to the rise in cases in Flint and Genesee County. But the governor is now asking all schools, all school districts in our area to do this. You can see the tweet from our reporter Remy Murray right there. She is not tightening restrictions. However, she is asking for schools to go voluntary. She's also asking to suspend youth sports. So this has been a very contentious issue with many people. I want to know what you think about this. Should schools all go voluntary? Should schools go virtual? And should high school sports and youth sports be suspended? The governor is not mandating any of this. And I want to make that clear. The governor is not signing any orders. The MDHHS is not signing any orders. She is asking that people voluntarily do this. So I want to know below, will you be following her advice or her guidance? So this is what is new today on midmichigannow.com. This is the big news in the state of Michigan, and I just wanted to do this video to let all of you know what's going on and to continue to share this video out if you're watching on Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, once again, subscribe, because that way you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, I'll talk to you later, everyone. Have a good day and stay with me, and midmichigannow.com will always keep you updated.